Good morning, Cloud Analogy team. Here you have asked six questions which I have to answer them. Coming to the first question is please give me an introduction about yourself. My name is Ujjwal Tyagi and I am from Muzaffarnagar. Coming to my family, in my family there are four members, including me. My father is a civil contractor and my mother is a homemaker, and my sister is a software developer in HCL Technologies. Coming to my academics, I have done my schooling from Muzaffarnagar itself, and after that I went Greater Noida for my graduation, which was BTech in Civil. Uh, After that, I pursued my MBA in Oil and Gas from UPES Dehradun. Uh, Coming to my hobbies are hiking, traveling, and traveling is the most. Even I made my YouTube channel, and where I used to upload my several videos where I travel and whatever. I'll tell about them. So that's all about me. Now coming to the second question. Second question is the please read out these tongue twisters. The twisters are: he sells sea shells on the seashore. The shells she sells on sea shells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Now, coming to the third question, that is, please tell me your family background in detail and a mentor in your life. Why? So coming to my family background, my father is a civil contractor, and where he used to work in a government buildings, which he construct government buildings, government roads, like that work. So that was a totally construction based work, and my mother is a homemaker, and I have one sister, and she works in HCL Technologies, that completely software giant. And let me tell you about my mentor in my life. My mentor are my several teachers in my life. First mentor was in when I was in class 12th. So he guided me that how to clear all the exams, and he tell me the strategies which I have to be follow in the board exam. That was the my first experience in life, that that was the first hurdle. So that's why he guided me that how I have to complete that hurdle. And my second mentor in my graduation, he was the HOD of my BTech. So he told me that how to give the how to how to be a good how to be a good civil engineer. And he guided me that what should I do after that. And so he's the second mentor, and even third mentor is in right now in my college, Mr. Anirudh Singh, in MBA in oil and gas. So these are the mentors of my life. Now coming to the fourth question, that is the tell me name of five countries in Europe. Yeah, Europe is my favorite continent. So the five countries are UK, and Russia is also in Europe, and Poland, Iceland, and Ireland. So these, I think, five are over. But there are many countries in Europe. What locations have you stayed in India, and for what purpose? So let me tell you from the first where I have born, that is the city Muzaffarnagar, where I did my schooling, and after that I went to Greater Noida, from where I did my BTech in civil. After that, I went to Jaipur, where I worked for only 3 to 4 months as a civil engineer. And after that, I stayed in Delhi, New Delhi, and where I prepared for some government exam. And the last recent city where I have stayed, that is a beautiful city, Dehradun. So these are the various cities where I have stayed in India. So this is the last question, I think. Please tell me your favorite dish. Explain the steps to cook any dish, minimum 10 steps. Oh, yeah. My favorite dish is dal makhani. So, first of all, let me tell you the steps. The first step is that, first of all, we have to take the pulses in the flask, and then the second step is that we have to wash them, and then the third step is that we have to soak them for 1 to 2 hours, and then we have to boil them. This is the fourth step. When we are boiling them, then we have to add some salt in them, and when it get boiled, then we have to take out and put it for 10 to 20 minutes, for like that, so that they got shrink, and they get cool down. So, and the last this is the second phase of the dal makhani. So this is the fried fry. So, and this is the sixth step, I think, where we have to take a fry pan, and in that we have to take some oil, and then put some spices like coriander, and salt, and red chili flakes, and onion, garlic, and tomato, and garnish them very beautifully, and then put the dal inside them. And this is the ninth step, and in the 10th step, the dal will get ready after mm, 5 to 10 minutes. So the dal will get ready. So I think the questions are over. These are the very nice questions. So okay, thank you.